Morning. So yesterday I was in the shop and I got the firewall fitted in place and it's mocked up really well. So today I'm going to go through and I'm going to get it welded in solid so that I can start working on putting the cowl on here. So cowl's up on the roof there. It's got to get down here and be solid before I can start putting the front end together and mounting the front end on here. So today's the day. Going to get it all welded in. And it's Easter weekend, so plan on spending some time with family. So that's probably all as far as I'll get today, is welding that in and putting that cowl on there. So here I go, and don't forget to check out our videos and like and subscribe. Have a great Easter. Okay, I'm here day two, working on the firewall. So yesterday we mocked it up, and you can see the video. It's up on YouTube right now. So today we are welding in the firewall. So all the screws have all been welded in on the passenger side. You can see they're all welded in all the way down here. I haven't prepped it yet, but it is ready to be etch primed. So coming over here, I haven't started this yet. So this one, I'll do the same thing that I did to that one and get all this welded up into here, welded into here, work my way down, all the way down this whole thing, welding this in. So I'm going to get back at it, finish this other side, and then I'll probably call it a day. But I'll have a firewall that's totally welded in. So that's a great thing. All right, get back at it. Hey, so in conclusion today, getting this firewall welded in. We've got it all welded in now. Got the driver's side all the way done. Welded all the way down, all the way to the top, and welded up on the A-pillar. Same thing with passenger side. It's welded all the way down, all the way up, and the A-pillar all welded in. So, good day today, got a lot done. Now we can fit the cowl and also work on getting the front end fit in. So, moving along. Hey, for the Cuda.